Hello everyone, welcome to Niagara Falls, one of the greatest natural wonder of world. Every single minute, millions of gallons of water rush over these cliffs, creating a sound that is unforgettable. From the American side, you can stand right across it and feel the mist of it. As you can see the rainbow, oh my god, it's so beautiful and mesmerizing to watch it. And from the Canada side, you will see the panoramic view of it. That is also a breathtaking view. For the ultimate experience, take the boat ride that takes you to the very base of the Niagara Falls. It's very thrilling, refreshing, and experience that you will never forget in your life. It feels like that you touch the beauty itself. It feels like that you are so close to the nature, so thrilling, so refreshing. When night falls, colorful light shining on the waterfalls transform the scene into pure magical world. Niagara Falls is more than just a destination. It's an experience of nature, power, beauty, and wonder. A place that everyone should see once in their lifetime. It is that much beautiful. Niagara Falls is not one of the wonders of the world, but it is included as a natural wonder of the world. While watching the Niagara Falls, you will see on the opposite side the Canada. You will see the building of Canada. Niagara Falls was formed over 12,000 years ago, like at the time of last ice age. You see these beautiful pictures, the colorful rainbow, the maid of the mist, the boat ride, and the night view. Everything is mesmerizing, beautiful, the time that you will never forget in your life. So I would request everyone to visit Niagara Falls and to be a part of bucket list. Thank you for watching.